Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to close your large and open pores and have that beautiful glow and a more smooth skin. Okay, so these ingredients would actually target some of those large pores on your skin. Now I know that we ladies, there are several skin types. Now in yeah, she don't carry this eye guys. You see my baby, when she say hi guys, you don't need to tell her, speak out loud. She's very vibrant. I'm proud of you, baby. Let the Lord bless you more. Okay guys, so this is my baby here is saying hi. Look at her. If you want to see her, you have to go to my vlog channel, my family channel, to see her face. Okay guys, so this is actually going to target those places on your face. Like, you know, we all have different skin types. Okay, so no matter which skin category or type that you are, this natural home remedy is going to help close those clogged pores and is going to help to make your skin look really tight, firm and beautiful. Okay, so let me take you right into this video so you could see the amazing ingredients that would revise your skin and equally make your skin look really beautiful and really glowing. Okay, so let's go. Flawless skin, tighten open pores and make your skin look really yummy. You're going to be needing to use 100% natural aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great moisturizing therapy that helps to reduce sunburn, dry skin and irritated skin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, right, and this is it, aloe vera gel. Then the next ingredient we're going to be needing is sugar. Now sugar contains smaller granite particles which helps to close and open pores. It scrub out the dead skin cells and make the skin look really young. So sugar contains a smaller granite particles which helps to polish up the skin. It helps to reduce the size of an large and an open pores, and it also helps to make the skin look really glowing and soft. So using sugar on the skin will make your skin look super yummy. So I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of the sugar into this aloe vera, and then we would have to give it a mix. Then the next ingredients we're going to be making use of is milk. Now milk contains lactic acid and vitamin E. Milk is a great natural remedy that helps to polish up the skin and increase the elasticity on the skin, and it helps to glow the skin also. So what we're going to be needing here is that we're going to be, you can actually use liquid milk, powdered milk or goat milk, yeah, which you can get in the supermarket. So 2 tablespoons of that is perfect for this remedy. And then also we're going to be making use of Fuller's Earth Clay powder. Now this is one natural remedy that closes up large and open pores permanently. It makes your skin look super duper yummy and glowing. It helps to rejuvenate the skin, and it makes you look like a glass skin. Yeah, it removes dark spots and age spots, and as well as pigmentation. So we're going to be needing just half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder. So now we'll have to be mixing this up. Okay, so the last ingredient is rose water and glycerin. Now you have to use a rose water that contains the glycerin in it, okay, because it's great for moisturizing agents, it's great in toning the skin, and it's also a great and natural remedy that helps to make the skin look super duper smooth. Okay, so adding this with this ingredient is actually going to help to close up a large and open pores and reduce the redness of the skin. So 1 tablespoon is gonna go a whole long way. So I'm actually gonna be stirring this all up, and you can use this at most 2 times in a week, and it's gonna be really perfect on your skin. Yeah, so guys, I just put this in the refrigerator, and this is how it looks like when you keep it for like 10 minutes. Let me show you what it look like. Yeah, okay, so you have to dab your face with water. I just dab my face with water and I clean it up. My face is really soft and it's great to receive any treatment, okay, because when your face is just too dry, like, you know, in a dry face, you apply treatment on, it will take a whole long while for the treatment to begin to, you know, soften your skin at first before it then begins to work. Okay, so but when you already, you know, wet your hair, keep it ready for any treatment to work, you know, it's just gonna be superb. Yeah, that's basically how you're going to be enjoying this natural homemade remedy. Now for this particular one, you are gonna be loving it. At first you would have to give it a little scrub, just a little scrub, yeah, so that, you know, it lifts up all of those dead skin and all of those blemishes on your face. It lifts up every of those things, you know. So after you then scrub it, then you would have to follow suit by applying it again. Now the reason why you would have to apply it again is just because you would be needing a whole lot of it on your skin while you wait for it to dry, because you expect it to dry so that it could tighten up your skin and actually give you that glow. Yeah, so if it does not, it has to dry, so you have to leave it and it will really dry and give you that glow. So if your first and second coating is not enough, you can coat it again and you are gonna be loving it. So what you do after which you've coated it like this, after which you've coated it like this, then you leave it for it to dry. Then when you want to wash it off, you have to use a toilet soap, and then you let's use a very mild cream. You're going to be loving it, because when you begin to use all of these natural remedies that I show you, and then you use a very mild cream, you're going to be loving it, because you basically do not need too much of expensive cream to have a glowing or beautiful skin. Okay, you need just a little, and your skin is going to be superb. Okay, and then when I'm done waiting for, like, few minutes, then I'll go wash it off. So you have to wait for, like, 3 to 5 minutes for it to dry, and then you have to be exposed to hair for it to dry quickly. Okay, so after that, then you go wash it off and you are good. You have to also apply it and apply it again, because those things are natural. There's no chemical in it, so do not expect miracle, but know that it's going to work. Yeah, also, when you stop using all of those chemical cream, it will be so amazing to you. All right guys, so apply this just like I've told you, and this is literally going to save your skin. It's going to help you to firm up your skin, and when your skin is firm and tight, your skin is literally going to be looking young, and you are going to be looking really beautiful and elegant. Okay, so go give this a go. They're all natural remedies, and it's going to help you so much to firm up your skin. It's going to help you to make your skin look beautiful and young, and that's it. So I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.